SLACKROBATS here, and we got some more fun stuff for you to train with. This is a more easy or beginner level training exercise. It's called knee to elbow twists. We're going to get on the slack line and show you progression 1 or level 1. Starting close to the anchor point, stand up. It doesn't matter which foot you start with, you're going to practice this on both sides. So for now, I'm on my right foot. Left knee, I'm going to think about doing a lift, bringing it towards the center of my body. So a knee lift. 1. Try to do 5 of those on each side. 2. 3. Again, we're lifting, but we're also bringing in towards the center. 4. 5. Take a step or come down, whichever you need, and do 5 more on the other side. Knee lift to the center. 3, 4, 5. That's progression 1, knee lifts. Progression 2, let me get steady here, is knee to elbow twist. So we're bringing the knee up and towards the center and bringing the opposite arm or elbow in towards the center as well to try to meet. So left knee, right elbow, touch. Do 5 of those on each side. Touch. Engaging the core every time. 3, 4, 5. Take a step or come down, whatever you need. Other side, 5 times as well. This is progression 2. Knee to elbow, or as I like to say, knee to bow. 3, 4, 5. All right, if you got that, we can move on to progression 3, and it's going to be roaming knee to elbow. So start close to the anchor point so we can work our way across the line. Starting on my right foot, so left knee, right elbow. Take it. Woohoo, there we go. Little twist and touch. Take a step. Twist and touch the other side. Something I like to think about that helps. String on the top of my head lifting up as this is happening. Helps activate muscles that keep me on the line. Think about lifting up as you do your knee to elbow twist. Woo, save it. Send us your videos. We want to see it. Hope you're having fun with these. Send us a message if you got questions or if you got ideas. Ow! Till next time, SLACKROBATS. Keep training. You want another challenge? Walk it back the other way.